Let us solve for x and y, given x plus y is equal to 8, xy is equal to 48. Solution. The given equation is x plus y is equal to 8. Let us call this equation 1. Sy is equal to 48. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 1, s plus y is equal to 8. Let us make y the subject of the formula. Y is equal to 8 minus s. Let us call this equation 3. From equation 2, sy is equal to 48. Now let us substitute for y, which is 8 minus x. S bracket 8 minus s is equal to 48. Let us open the bracket with this s. S multiplied by 8, that is 8x, minus s multiplied by x, that is s squared, is equal to 48. Now let us equate everything into 0. We have 8s minus s squared minus 48 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. Then this is minus 8s plus s squared plus 48 is equal to 0. Let us put this equation in standard form. S squared minus 8s plus 48 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic general formula. S is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 8, c is equal to 48. S is equal to minus bracket minus 8 plus or minus square root of minus 8 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 48. Everything divided by 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus times minus 8. 8 plus or minus square root of minus 8 square. That is 64 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 48. That is 192 divided by 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 64 minus 192. That is minus 128 divided by 2. S is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of minus 128 can be written as square root of 64 multiplied by 2 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2. S is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 64 multiplied by square root of 2 multiplied by square root of minus 1, everything divided by 2. But square root of minus 1 is equal to I. S is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 64, that is 8. Square root of minus 1 is I root 2. Then everything divided by 2. S is equal to 8 divided by 2 plus or minus 8I divided by 2 root 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 4. 2 here 1, 2 here 4. S is equal to 4 plus or minus 4I root 2. Therefore, S1 is equal to 4 plus 4I root 2, and S2 is equal to 4 minus 4I root 2. These are the values of S. We've gotten the values of S. Let us solve for Y. To solve for Y, from equation 3, Y is equal to 8 minus S. Y1 is equal to 8 minus S1 is 4 plus 4I root 2. Y1 is equal to 8 minus 4 minus 4I root 2. Y1 is equal to 8 minus 4, that is 4 minus 4I root 2. This is the value of Y1. Also, Y2 is equal to 8 minus S2. This is equal to 8 minus S2 is 4 minus 4I root 2. This is equal to 8 minus 4 plus 4I root 2. Y2 is equal to 8 minus 4. This is 4 plus 4I root 2. This is the value of Y2. Therefore, our final answer are S1, Y1 is equal to 4 plus 4I root 2, 4 minus 4I root 2. S2, Y2 is equal to 4 minus 4I root 2, 4 plus 4I root 2. These are the corresponding value of S and Y. You can see that the value of S1 here is equal to the value of Y2 here, and the value of Y1 here is equal to the value of S2 here. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. S plus Y is equal to 8. SY is equal to 48. Now let us consider this. S plus Y, this is 4 plus 4I root 2 plus 4 minus 4I root 2 must be equal to 8. This cancel this. 4 plus 4 must be equal to 8. 4 plus 4, this is 8, is equal to 8, which is true. Then SY, this is 4 plus 4I root 2 multiplied by 4 minus 4I root 2 must be equal to 48. 4 times 4, this is 16, minus 4 multiplied by 4i root 2, that is 16i root 2. 4i root 2 multiplied by 4, that is plus 16i root 2. 4i root 2 multiplied by minus 4i root 2, that is minus 16 multiplied by I square multiplied by 2 must be equal to 48, because root 2 multiplied by root 2, that is 2. This cancel this. 16 minus 16 multiplied by I square is equal to minus 1 multiplied by 2 must be equal to 48. 16 minus 16 multiplied by 1, that is 16, multiplied by 2, that is plus 32, must be equal to 48. 16 plus 32, this is 48, is equal to 48, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.